So, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the day 39 of our this rule-based 60-day rule-based trading challenge. And today was a smooth sailing day. And after yesterday's mistakes, so today we ensured that we don't commit any such kind of mistakes. So needless to say, we were able to close the day in a decent profits, and also there was nothing much of a challenges which market offered today. But of course, there was some in between. Some the trade started going against us. So keeping the emotions in control and what sticking to the rule, that always helps. So but as such, except for that one small period, there was nothing much of a challenging day today. So let me walk you through the trade details for the day. So the trade got triggered at 9:45 a.m. You can ignore we sold the 25,300. There are some more entries here. You can ignore that. It's a different strategy which is running here. So as you see, the quantity is also different and it's a normal order. So the MIS order are these two are the MIS order. So we entered at the trade at 9:45 and we sold the 25,300 call at 111.85. And at the end of the day at 3:15, just before the intraday to be closed, we were able to close it at 63 rupee 80 paise. So I'll just walk you through the chart of the premium which we sold. So this is the place where which we sold. That is at 111.85. That is at 9:45. As you see, the candle is at 9:45. And we had initially kept the, as usual, the stop loss at 167 rupee 80 paise. However, since it did not hit, and as this is what I was saying in between the days, so like as you see at around 10:45, it went almost closer. It may not very visibly clear here. As you see, the high of this candle is 24,967.25, and we our upper range was 24,985. So about 20, 30 points away. But although it is not very close, but it was appearing like it may go towards the ORB range. But we just held our nerves as usual, waiting for the candle to close above the ORB. So that did not happen, and then again the decay started happening. And as you see here, from the time we sold, that was at 9:45 till about 10:35 or so, 10:30, 10:35, our trade was in profit. But again, from 10:35 onwards till about 11:20, our trade was in kind of a intraday loss. It was trading in a loss. But after that, it started decaying, quite nicely and smoothly. As you see, we were able to close the day almost closer to the day lows, that is why we were able to, make a decent profit. We were trailing the stop loss, but again, based on the day's low candle, and the last trailing stop loss was at 90. But again, neither the original stop loss nor the trailing stop loss got triggered. So we were able to close it at almost towards the end of the day, at the near to the day low. And as you see, the same thing has been captured in the trading journal. So we sold the 25,300 call at 111.85, and we covered it at 63.80. We incurred a trading cost of 60 rupee 80 paise, so which resulted in a decent profit of 3,542.95 for the day, and that helped us to again get back to a better or a decent P&L level of 14.56 in these 39 days. And also it helped us to get our equity curve improved, which had taken a dip with the last three trades which went into the loss. So now again we still not have reached back the peak level, but we have again gained back our grounds quite nicely. And I would say after 39 days, 14.56% is a decent return to achieve. again, P&L is not the focus. I was talking more about the, how we were able to hold on to the trade, even though it was appearing like a, one more, after three losses, it is difficult to carry such kind of a mental frame to hold on to the trade. But since we always stick to the rules, that discipline is inculcated, and it is helping to get the positive results as such. So that's all for the day, and thanks a lot for your continued support, and see you tomorrow for the 40th day of this trading challenge. See you, take care, and bye bye.